What's up, everybody? Here Ivan. I'm gonna make this quick video on how to get leads on YouTube. Super easy using this software. So let me try how it works and everything. It's a new strategy that I just learned, so it's working out pretty good. I've been testing it out since yesterday, so I'm getting a lot of leads and clicks and everything. So how it works and everything. This is the software. Like right here on search, just put news. It's gonna go to all the news live on YouTube on the USA. So what I do right here, I just check on the who's watching, who has more views right now. 30K and 5K is awesome. Is the best. So people can see it right away. Your message, your comments that you posted on the chat, like this one, Fox News Live. So what I do right here, just copy this message that I have right here, copy, and then put it right here, paste it. What it's gonna do, like right here, gonna put on every 30 seconds, it's gonna put the same message, but you can spin text the message. You gotta put more. I've been testing this one and it works pretty good. So what it's gonna do right now, just gonna click star and then click right here. So it's gonna start posting, commenting every 30 seconds. So people can see the message. They will see a lot since it's commenting a lot. They will see it and they will put their email and take a small survey, and that's how I've been getting this a lead for this CPA network. Like right now, sorry, it already posted the first comment, so it's gonna do it right now in 30 seconds. So people will see it and they will say, "Oh, okay." People are watching the news and then they see that, so they're curious and they're gonna see the link and they will put their email and then they will do everything to get free stuff online. Like right there is the second one. What I do just leave it at night, or maybe when I go out, just leave it for a couple hours. And that's what I've been getting lately. Let me show you. This is like clicks and conversions that I've been getting lately. $84 for free. Hey, that's good. So if you want to learn CPA marketing, just let me know. Message me on Facebook. You can start with $100 learning my strategies or as a beginner. So let's be in contact, and thanks for watching the video.